Toys don't just have to be a source of entertainment, it's also an opportunity to help your child to learn, grow. But of course, have a bit of fun while doing it too. Storytelling is a great way to soak in learning, and you don't even have to take the responsibility of storytelling yourself. My Little Pony's electronic reader has an 8-book library that reads stories aloud. You get to join in the adventures of Twilight Sparkle, Rainbow Dash, Pinkie Pie, Applejack, Fluttershy, and Rarity. Now, sometimes all you need is a bag of building blocks with no instruction manual to open your mind and create. With the Plex Preschool Building Blocks, it's exactly what it says on the packaging. It's a bag of building blocks that you can spread across the floor and start making something, anything. This is the key to imaginative play. It taps into a child's artistic, experiential, and cognitive skills. This is something you can keep in your child's room or even carry with you. Glowing with soft colors and warm lights, as well as soothing sounds of nature and white noise, specially designed to help settle and put them to sleep. I'll leave you with a warning, it might even soothe you to sleep, so watch out. Sometimes you want to create a space that allows you to play without physically being there. This product allows you to bring beach play to your home. There is sand, a water wheel, along with a pour and play set, all of which set the scene for your child to enjoy sand and water in an environment that is home. Another avenue to develop your child's cognitive skills is music. So why not start with Shooting Star's 2-in-1 melodious xylophone? Your toddler can explore the world of music one key at a time, whether it's honing their auditory skills or improving hand-eye coordination. Another great building tool that broadens your child's mind creatively is Shooting Star's Nuts and Bolts. Here you have a little wooden toolbox with all these nuts and bolts that your child can pull together and pull out. And because you have only these tools and these specific parts, you have to really let your imagination take over. This open-ended play really flexes your child's cognitive skills. Each of these toys from Hamleys that I've taken you through aren't just toys for entertainment. They're an opportunity for learning and growing.